Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy green peas pulao recipe, ideal as a quick meal for lunch or for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. For the pulao, I have already soaked 1 cup of long grain rice for about 15 minutes. I'm going to rinse the rice a couple of times and then add on to a strainer. The spices I'm using are 1 bay leaf, half of a mace, 4 cloves, small piece of cinnamon, 4 to 5 black peppercorns, 4 cardamoms. Half teaspoon saunf, also known as fennel seeds. Into my kadai, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon saunf. Once the fennel seed starts to splutter, I'm adding in the spices. Give it a stir. Add in 1 onion thinly sliced and 1 green chilli slit. Give it a stir. Lightly saute the onions until it starts to turn light golden brown in color. Once the onion starts to turn light golden brown in color, give it a good stir. Add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon sea salt or as needed, the strained rice, and give it a good stir. Lightly roast the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 minutes later, add in half cup fresh green peas. You can also use boiled green peas instead. Add in 2 cups water. Give it a good stir. Cover and allow this to come to a boil. And once it starts to boil, reduce the flame to the lowest and let it cook on low flame for 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes now and I have turned off the flame. Open the lid, give it a stir. Squeeze in half a lemon and give it a good stir. Cover and let it sit for about 2 to 5 minutes. You can enjoy this with any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy pulao recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.